Yeah. Well, we got the protesters protesting in Paso. Exciting day. Then we came by here once. The police have been kind of redirecting them in circles. Alright. And actually the cops closed our back gate, so I'm not going out that way. I don't know if they locked it or just swung it shut to keep people out of here. Alright. Ooh, it is warm. I'm actually gonna go down Pine just a bit, just to see if I see anything. And then I'll go back up Spring to the freeway. Oh man, it is warm. It's 91 degrees. I got my sweatshirt on. Okay, this limit line is way too far back. I can't see shit. So I head down Spring here a little bit. See what we see. I think they're way down at like 12th Street. I probably won't go that far. We'll just go down a little bit. I brought the scanner to work today to listen, and all this happened. I thought it was supposed to be this evening, but they started at 11, or they met up at 11. Okay, I see the cops up there. Okay. Got sheriff's office. Whew, it is hot. I think this is City Hall, but I'm not sure. And it's been, from what I've heard, it's been pretty peaceful so far. So they've kept them off the freeways. They've done a good job of kind of running them in circles. So I haven't heard of any. Actually, there's been a couple fights I think I heard on the radio, but that was about it. Yeah, their Facebook page said they would be here till around 9 o'clock. I'm not sure. Oh, this is 12, so they're right here somewhere. That's what the radio said. Oh, they're over there. Yeah, it looks like that way closed off. All right, we'll get on Spring and go home. Oh my God, it's so hot. Should have took my jacket off, my sweatshirt off. If I'd have known I was gonna go this slow, I would have. Looks like it's kind of died off. They were mentioning on the scanner that they looked like they were getting tired, sweaty, thirsty. They were running out of steam, it sounded like. So that was the, I don't know if you noticed back there, but that was Lagos MC. Facebook post said they're posting outside of some businesses to protect them in case of rioting or looting. I think somebody said one of them's wife owns a business down here. I could be wrong. Oh my God, it's hot, hot, hot. It's so hot. Freaking warm. I think that's it. Looks like it's kind of fizzled out. Yeah, earlier the march came down this street to 4th Street and hung a left, and then they went down to Pine and then headed back south. And it sounds like they've kind of stayed right around the park area since then. Looks like they're waiting at all the corners, protecting the bank. Let's see, we got Highway Patrol and Slow PD, it looks like. Oh, it's hot. I'm melting. Oh, and then there's Wells Fargo across the street. I mean, even if you broke into a bank, you're not going to get anything. That stuff's pretty secure. There's Slow PD motor units over there getting ready to come out. So this is where I work, on this corner here, and the march came up here and then went down 4th Street. And then I was recording it on my cell phone from up there in one of those windows on the 2nd floor.